guys, it's about to be the latest Barrister's husband. Yeah, Barrister's husband. Cause we are on our way to go to bar. Good morning. So today's my call bar, 29th of July 2020 at 8 Square. No, you speed and finish me. You speed. But yeah, so the pub is dropping me off and then coming back later because it actually starts by 10 and it's currently 7:34. So that's super early to just stand around and wait. So we'll drop me off and come back around 10 when it's all getting, packing and all that good stuff. So I will try and vlog as much as I can today because you guys already know everything that has to do with law school is hectic. But I'm gonna bring it for you guys. I'm gonna try my best to do it for you guys. So I'm not wearing makeup today because, listen, I was hearing they were telling people to wipe off their makeup as light as it was. They were telling them to wipe it off. There are people with heavy makeup and they didn't tell them to wipe. Like, listen, it was a whole shebang. My nails, natural as natural can get. So I don't want no problems. I'm just trying to literally go in and come out in peace. That's all I need. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the other side.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an every since I replay. Sit right next to you. How I feel about you, think it was away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around. I want you come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away, palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. Not trying not to show. How I feel about you, think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
Looking at you,
If you know wear black and white like me, while I do.
Kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around. I want you around.
So we are done with Kotiba. Your wife is officially a barrister and solicitor of the Supreme Court of Nigeria.
sir.
It took me out on a day. I'm looking like a Barbie and shit. But yeah, it was a good time. I am so happy. I'm so thankful to God and for such a super great husband. So thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you are thinking of going to law school and you know it's something you enjoy, give it a go. Try your best and trust me, pray about it. If it's God's will for your life, every single thing will align in your favor. So yes, this phase phase of our life, and our vlog is done. We are done. Like, now we're adulting. We are to start adulting for real. So check this out. Yeah. So guys, see you guys next time. Bye guys.
Your love.